وعليك باقي يا نور حيا وعليك باقي يا نور حيا وعليك باقي صيد الليل وعليك باقي يا نور حيا وعليك باقي يا نور حيا وعليك باقي يا نور حيا وعليك باقي صيد الليل وعليك باقي
Gusto mo sa fish market eh.
Ah, sister shawarma chicken.
Ayan. Ayan ang mga veggies. All of this. Hi, this is what you call the Balad area.
Yeah,
This is the old Jeddah.
yeah.
We have here the Mahmal Center, big establishment, and the SAS for perfumes.
Pakita natin. So, right behind us, we have the oldest, ano yun? How do you put this? Oldest cosmetic distributor.
Perfume distributor.
I don't know.
Yes,
Right there.
you're right.
So, I am Jamila Rose Lineses. I am the film director of Our Journey to Hijaz, and we are now in ang tawag dito?
Al-Balad.
Al-Balad district. So, yeah. Say hi. Hi, 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 hi. Nanay! Say hi ka dyan.
Hi.
Hi.
We are still here in Balad district.
Yeah,
This is the center for shopping.
Okay.
And there were still no malls before.
Yeah.
We come here for shopping.
Yeah.
And the prices here are very cheap.
Yeah.
Rather than
wala na ako sinabi ko din. Yeah.
Rather than the mall.
Yeah.
Okay. So
Okay.
we're going towards the another place where we will be able to see the another venue.
Yeah.
Okay, patay
Yeah.
mo muna. Chopsticks, chocolate, para meron kang mga nakatago na gamit. I mean, kung kailangan mo in the future. Thank you very much. What's your name again?
My name is Arsalan.
Arsalan.
Yes.
May ice cream sila. Oreo and Kit Kat.
McFlurry.
McFlurry, yeah.
McFlurry. So, anong gusto mo?
I want McFlurry and a muffin.
Oh, yung muffin.
I don't know if they're selling it separately.
We're eating ice cream. Nanay.
We're eating the McFlurry at McDonald's.
Parang kang Indian accent. Hi guys, it's still hot outside and it's 5:03 p.m. So we're waiting inside McDonald's because apparently the fountain is not yet in service. It's not yet operating, so we have to wait for a little while. Yeah. Are walking towards right there. Okay.
Pero may mabago naman. Port area. Here. Magsalita ko.
Okay. So what is this?
Here at the background, you can see the sea. After the sea, you have the King's Palace of King Fahad, the late King Fahad. I was already here when he was king. A very big palace, if not the biggest.
So right in front of my camera is a fancy place where they put KSA's most distinguished guests like presidents of other countries and prime ministers. It's a huge place. The last time I've seen this, they haven't constructed it. It's just building blocks, but now it's a huge place and the architecture is excellent.
Hi.
Hi. I'm not sure if you can see our faces.
Yeah.
I'll try moving
The sunset already.
I'm not seeing anything. Hindi kasi nag-automatic siya eh. Ayun. Dito ka nga dito. Ayun. At least, wait, just picture tayo, diba? At least kita na siya ngayon.
Yeah.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay, another one. 1, 2, 3. Wait, why are you not cooperating? Okay. Behind me is the King Fahad fountain. It's the world's highest fountain of its kind, and I am now in Jeddah. So Jeddah is the second largest city in Saudi Arabia, and I'm just going to spin the camera, take it for a spin, right? So yeah, hi mom. Hello. Yeah, so spin, the spin. It's a nice place there, right there. Okay. Okay. Hi, my name is Jamila Rose Lineses. I'm the film director of Our Journey to Hijaz, and I would like to invite you to the International Film Festival Manhattan from the 17th of October to the 23rd of October in New York City, which will be held at the Producers Club. And Our Journey to Hijaz is a short documentary film which is also the sequel to Historic Jeddah. And my screening will be on October 22, 2016. And I'm hoping to see you all in Manhattan and wishing you all a nice day.
طالب يا واد دردره في الازقه والشوارع يا واد كبيت الدقيق حق الحرمه يا واد يا واد الحرمه تشتكي منك يا واد خلاص اخر مره
سمع الله لمن حمده الله
Eyeliner, that's the old eyeliner.
You see, they dip it inside and they put it on their eye. I saw my uncle do that one.
With كحل, I'll show you now. It's still sitting, this one.
Oh, they're welcoming.
No, actually, yes, they do. But what about you? How about in Lebanon? Did you see this?
We have it at home. It's not like this. It's connected to a wire.
Oh, wow. But it doesn't look like this.
It's a lot thicker.
You guys, I am in Jeddah, Saudi Arabia. It's my hometown. My name is Jamila Rose Lineses, the film director of Our Journey to Hijaz. And Our Journey to Hijaz is a documentary short film that will showcase never before seen footages depicting life in Saudi Arabia before the oil boom. And it's also the sequel to Historic Jeddah, which is also a short documentary film. And my screening will be on October 22, 2016 at the International Film Festival Manhattan at the Producers Club. So I'm hoping to see you guys all there.